even if you don't have a camera, you can still use a tablet or something. But you can still get some pretty decent shots with what you have. So yes, I'm gonna set my camera and I'm gonna show you something really cool. Personally, put this so low. So personally, I don't have a camera stabilizer or gimbal because those things are really expensive. But one way I like to get shots, smooth shots, is I can use my hand and be steady and slow. And then I just take off the thing that holds thing on my tripod. I get, and then it helps me a tiny bit, but not too much. And I can get that smooth shot. So like here, I can get that smooth shot. So here's the shot I got right here, and it looks really good. There's one way you can get a cool shot, which is by putting your hand in front of the camera, then letting your camera focus on your hand, and when it focuses, you want to keep on that. When you get to like a small subject, it will blur out the background, boom, and that shot will look really good. That's one way to do it. Another tip is try and get a lot of shots. If you're going for like a short video, like maybe 5 seconds, you don't want to get too much. But if you're going for like a long one, you want to get a lot of interesting subjects and stuff. You can do cool transitions by yourself. Like I did for a tree, I went like this. I put my camera on the grass, and I went up, and then it went like that, and it looked pretty cool. Or you can like turn, and there's a lot of things you can do while getting B-roll. Another thing, give me a second. Another thing is don't focus on one subject too much, because that is not going to make your B-roll look cool. If you're focusing on one subject, it's probably a short video, but if you're just doing like long, it's not good to focus on just one subject unless that one subject has a lot of things in it. But yeah. Another tip is have fun. Like, if you don't have fun and you focus on it too much, your B-roll is going to look like you are like a tryhard. That is not going to look good. So I can't think of another tip and trick, but to get B-roll, set your camera to whatever quality or stuff you want, then go in for your subject, start recording, go for all your cool shots, maybe top shot or that. Then we'll get into the editing later, and then your B-roll's gonna look good. Focus, B-roll's gonna look good. Then there's not a lot of things to do when getting B-roll, really. But you can do this with any recording device. So if you have like a trashy camera or something, then you can still get some good shots. But probably not like a $5 camera, like cheap cameras. Like at least a decent camera. Like this camera's about $100. Even just a tablet camera is okay. Because usually when you do B-roll outside, which is better instead of inside, you get better lighting. And when you have better light, it makes it so that your B-roll looks way more quality-wise, good light, and more focused on your subject. It looks real good. I have a DSLR shipping on the way, but I'm sticking with these cameras, and I've been sticking with them, and they're still okay. But yeah, don't feel discouraged if you think you have trashy gear. You can still impress people with what you do with your own ideas. Anyways, that's all I could think of. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm about to play the B-roll that I had at the end that I made a long time ago with all my tips and tricks. And let's just review steady shots, nice movement, and don't be discouraged and have fun. And that's how you get some nice B-roll. Anyways, peace out. Whoops.
I've been standing